Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can catch the Moorish idol in Fish It Roblox. So if you're looking for the most stylish fish in the ocean, the Moorish idol is your favorite. And here I'm going to show you the locations on how you can get this one. So I got the albino mutations of the Moorish idol. So the Moorish idol in Fish It is one of the fishes from the ocean. So you can get it in the ocean. You can just go anywhere in the oceans to get this fish, or you can also get it while you do some megalodon hunting or shark hunting, and you can get this one. And for the road, you can just use basically any road that you have, because these Moorish idols in here can be caught in any time and also any weather. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks.